In this video, we learn how we can write our program in multi-line in Python. So for that, we have to click File, then New, then click Python file and given file name as multi-line code. Enter. So first we write x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, z is equal to 30.50, and then total is equal to x. We write it as here x plus y plus z, and then print total. And when we run our program, we see that 60.5 is the result. So in multi-line code, what the Python give us the feature that we can break the line into different line. Suppose I want to write x in this line, y the next line, and then z after that line. So by this, what we do, we have to give a backslash, and then we have to press enter. Again we have to give a backslash and then press enter. So if we see that we write x in first line, then y in the second line, and z in the third line. So if we want to print the result, then we have to run the file, and we see that the result is come. So this is the uh, feature which Python provide us to we can write our program into different line.